waking up in a world that is like a dream. Is this real? Is this really happening? People are dying all over the world. And I'm just lost in the upside down world. So there's only one thing for it, and that's keep saying and keep creating. So join me on this bizarre journey of a Mali vlog like no other. Let's create. So over the past, I'd say 5 weeks now, we're in the 6th week of lockdown. I haven't been out until yesterday, and I went on my local woodland walk, if you like. I've not vlogged it because I don't feel right yet about doing that, even though I'm doing what everyone else is doing. And to be fair to myself, this is the first bit of exercise I've done. I've put about a stone on. I've just been working at home, sorting my Mac out. I'm doing probably what most other people are, which is a bit of housekeeping and teacher, sorting the schoolwork out with the kids, and whatever we can do to keep active. But in this time, over the past 5 weeks, I've been filming the clouds, I've been doing some time lapses of the stars and trying a bit of astro. And trying to get it all together to make a video for you guys. And it's been, I think it's been about it's been 5 weeks since I last put a video out, which was Hodge Close. Before lockdown, that was filmed. So as you can see, this is a bit of an unusual situation that we're all in. Well, I say all of us. No, I won't get political on this. But my views are mine, I guess, and everyone has an opinion, so why should I share mine? It doesn't make any difference, does it? It just adds to the problem really and breeds negativity. So what I'm trying to do is bring something positive and show you what I've been up to, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and hopefully you'll like the images. Might even be some voiceover in this, which I've never really embraced or done before. So me and these two walls are gonna get creative. Come and join me. I interrupt this short broadcast with some twitching. Kitchen twitching. Yeah, this was hers gone. Yeah, next day. Disaster of a back garden. Brought the log in, some seeds, a little bit of fat. So far we've got a throstle, blackbird, and a sparrow. There's a robin knocking around, so let's carry on. Well, here we have a little story of a little cock sparrow feasting on me fat balls. I thought I'd create a Mali triptych, Mali style. Hope you like it. Quite a bit of editing due to the fact that each image wasn't taken one after the other in succession. I had to wait, be patient and grab the shot one at a time. I love the centre one with the little hop mid-flight. So I hope you like these. Let me know your thoughts down below. So, the neighbours really do think lockdown has pushed me to the edge and I've lost it. In my front garden, there is also a tip since having the extension made. There's a collection of wild flowers and weeds. Now, I'm not having a cup of tea. I've got myself a bit of water. I'm just going to sprinkle, there you go, sprinkle a bit of water just to add a little bit of interest. There we go. Oh, that's sparkling. Lovely. I've picked a little composition here. It's got white bells, the bluebells in the background. There we go. Let's move that out of the way. Now, 50mm f1.8. It focused from about 30 centimetres away. I'm going to get in here. I want a really shallow depth of field, and we're going to control the light with our hands. Don't be afraid to take quite a few shots, because at f1.8 and I'm shooting at 2,000th of a second, just to make sure that I'm getting sharp and getting the very slim plane of focus at f1.8. You really are going to struggle with getting your shots sharp, and that's the beauty of it. Been using manual focus just to get certain areas. Now you're fine with a prime lens at f1.8. Using manual focus, you will get the best shots because you're picking out the detail exactly where you want it. But because I'm kind of struggling and lying down in lots of ants and spiders, I just want to get the shots. Saying that, the little creatures don't bother me too much, but if they bother you, maybe get a mat or a little bit of a blanket to lie on while you do this. So I'm going to try and get some more water in this area because it's sparkling. So in this series of shots we've got some wild bluebells that seem to have been left from previous owner and have grown in my front garden, which is lucky, I think, as they are a protected wildflower, and to have bluebells and white bells just near your front door is wonderful. So I had the opportunity to just, as you've seen, lie amongst nature, take it all in and let the neighbours think I'm bonkers. So I hope you like these shots. The last shot of the bluebell was really playing around with depth of field and focusing and just using the HSL, hue, saturation and luminance to raise and tilt light and colour to my advantage in this shot. Great fun taking these shots, and I hope you like them. Let me know down below. I'm going to show you how fast the moon is moving. I've zoomed right in on the back of my screen to get it really sharp and in focus. I'm using the 150 to 600 Tamron at 600mm, and you can see the crater details and everything. The moon's just moving round now with Venus just at its brightest this week, and it is a fantastic sight.